So hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And I have completed my character designing for beginners videos yesterday, and I'll show it to you. If you want to learn how to do character designing as a beginner, then you can watch these 4 videos and you will find it easy for you to draw a character. So this is a male character. You can design it and you can get an idea from these videos, and I will upload a video on female character also. But now I have received some messages. I'll show you that regarding the, like, you can read over here. Sir, would you please draw cartoon legs with different body shape? Yeah, that I'll do now. I'll show it to you. And the next one, yeah, here it is. It is from Sai Prasad, and he has asked me to give some tips regarding like how to practice. I'll read the comment. Give me some tips. Daily, how many hours should I practice to improve my drawing? Sometimes I am not getting time to practice daily. No issue. But how to practice, I'll let you know today in this video. So please watch the video from beginning to the end, because in between also I'll give some tips. So these are the 2 questions I am going to cover in today's video. So without much ado, let's get started.
Hey, welcome everyone. You are watching the channel Rinku Art.
So first I'll draw some different body shape, and later on I'll draw the legs. Okay, so I'll take 3 or 4 body shape, and then I'll tell you about the legs. So quickly I will draw the character. And it is very rough actually, because I need to explain you the legs only. So these are 3 body types where I'll draw the legs. You can draw different type of legs if you want to, but what I'm telling is, like, if it is fat, the last one, okay, and if it is thin, like the second one, how to draw the legs. This is the middle one, and I'll start with this, the second one. Simply what you will do, will draw 2 lines from here and here. Okay, just 2 lines. But as I have explained you in my last 2 to 3 videos, why I used to bring this line inside, please go and watch that video if you haven't watched. Okay, so like this I'll draw the skeleton first, and here also I'll draw like this, and the shoes, and here I'll drag a little bit, and from here I'll draw like this. Okay, so this is the basic thing you need to draw, the lines, which you can call it as skeleton lines. And here, after drawing the legs, you'll get to know it is looking good or not. On that you can draw your form or the volume. Okay, like if you want to draw thin legs, you can do here, or you can do the thick legs as well. Okay, actually my health is not good. I am having cold, so the voice is not coming that clear, but try to understand, you will get to know. So what I'll do, I will do either like this. Okay, this is one pattern, and another one you can do simply like this. Here I'll draw like this, and I'll draw like this. Little correction I'll do over here, or you can do little like this because this is not balanced. That's why I am trying to do the balance over here. And here simply draw a line. The shoes you can rectify here. The main thing which I want to tell you or explain you is that legs are very easy. It's up to you and decide from the beginning itself that which type of legs you want to draw. Okay, this is the first thing I have told you, and I think you have understood my point. So I am hiding this layer right now, and I will try to explain you a little more. Suppose a character is there in action. Okay, so here I am not thinking about the legs, how it will look like, but I am doing the gesture first. Okay, this is the action pose I have done, and here the legs are like very simple. But while doing the cleanup, I need to decide how the legs will be. For this, I can make it. I'll tell you. See the two lines for the legs, and I can do like this. Got it? Now next I'll tell you the fat character. If the character is fat and here if you'll draw thin legs, first I'll tell you the okay, let me draw a little. No need of drawing this navel. Okay, this is the t-shirt, and from here if I'll draw the legs, see, I can draw either like this, okay, this is one type. Or what I'll do, I'll copy this or duplicate layer, and I'll drag this to here. Okay, and now let me show you the comparison so you will understand. And now what I'll do, I'll erase the legs. Okay, and now I'll try to do a thin leg. For that I'll take the t-shirt from here to here, and here what I'll do, like this also you can do. And if you want, you can do even one more style is also there. Only put the straight line like this. See, this portion you can erase it, this one. It's up to you. If you want to make that type of style, you can do that also. This will also look nice. So for fat character like this you can maintain. Right. And for thin you can do the previous example I have given you, like this. It's very simple. Let's design one so that you will get to know the thing what I want to explain you. Okay, so Now what I'll do, I'll draw the line along with the body like this. Okay, and I'll do like this. No, this is wrong actually. I'll tell you later on how to place your legs in different ways, but first you want to know how to draw the legs in different body, so that I need to demonstrate first. So here I can do either like this also, I can use the legs, okay, or I can use like this. See, so it's up to you how you are drawing your legs. Legs are of various types, like you want to draw the legs like this, it's okay, it's good. Roughly I'm talking out. Actually you need to draw your drawing very rough, then only you can visualize, because on the white paper there is nothing to visualize. So whatever there in your mind you can draw here roughly. Either you can use the legs separate, or you can use it like this for a standing pose I'm talking about, okay, or you can use a fat person's leg like this. You have to join these are just a rough demonstration. And like this also you can use, sorry. So you need to check all the legs, or if there is anything in your mind, you can do that also. Check whether that character is looking great or not with that legs, okay. So that's it. Try it. If you have any other queries, you can please ask me in my comment box. I'll surely make a video on that if you are having any doubt, okay. So that's it for the legs. And the another question is that how to practice, or if you don't have time, what to do. Let me tell you that even if you are not having time, you have paper, pencil. If you don't have any digital things like laptop or Wacom, then also it's not an issue. You need to draw circles every day. You need to draw circles like this, okay, even ovals. This is not to make your circle round or perfect. It's not about those things. The thing is that you need to make your hand free, like you can draw anything without touching the floor or without touching the paper or Wacom, okay. Just I have given you one video, I think, where I have explained you how to draw, how to practice your drawing. I'll give you the link below in the description box. You please go and check it out, okay. And every day you should do circles, okay. You just practice, like you can practice it for 15 minutes, or whenever you are getting time, you just do circles like this. After 1 week, the circles and lines, okay, rectangle, square, roughly I'm talking about roughly, okay, triangle, and even 8, this shape, okay. This is 8 actually, this is sleeping 8, whatever you can call it, okay. So you need to practice all these things every day. Whenever you are getting time, you have to practice this is compulsory. So after this, maybe in next week, including that practice, you need to do circle, then the eye line and center line, okay, then circle, eye line and center line from both the side, even like this, circle, this eye line and center line. Sorry, I don't know if I have told you wrong. This is the eye line, okay, and this is the center line. So you need to practice this also. This is wrong actually, huh? Let me tell you this. This is the center line, sorry. So these all things you need to practice. Okay, I am talking about the practice. Okay, this is the second week. This after then you need to practice this. Okay, it should not be perfect rectangle, just like this, huh? Like this you need to practice. So if you want a separate video how to practice to make your design improved one, then please let me know in my comment box. I'll surely make a video on this. Okay, but for the time being you have to practice the circles, rectangle, 8. Okay, these are the things you need to practice. Oval, circles, these basic shapes you need to practice first. And please don't tell me that you don't have time. You have time, I know. You need to find out that time, even for 5 minutes. Whenever you are getting break, you need to take a paper and pencil. Even if you are talking on phone, then you can draw on the paper. It's not a big deal. You can do if you want to learn character designing or any drawing. Okay, so please don't give any excuse. I want the result, so please do it and tell me whether if you are getting the time or not. Okay, so best of luck. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video helps you a lot, and please subscribe my channel if you haven't yet and you are new to my channel, and share this video and like this video. Take care and bye bye.